with the simplest. Basic checks. Confirm your internet is working. Browse other websites or use other online apps to see if it's a general internet issue. Restart your device. Often a simple restart can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. Restart your router. This can refresh your internet connection and potentially resolve connection issues. Check for Roblox server outages. There might be a temporary server outage causing widespread issues. You can check the Roblox status page at linktostatus.roblox.com, linktostatus.roblox.com to see if this is the case. Try using Google's public DNS servers, linked to 8.8.8.8 and linked to 8.8.4.4, or Cloudflare's DNS servers, linked to 1.1.1.1 and linked to 1.0.0.1. Roblox-specific fixes. Update Roblox. Make sure you're running the latest version of Roblox. Outdated versions can sometimes cause connection issues. Clear your Roblox cache and cookies. Deleting temporary files can sometimes resolve connection problems. You can find instructions for doing this on the RobloxHelp page, link to en.help.roblox.com, link to en.help.roblox.com. Try playing on a different device or network. If you have access to another device or network, try playing Roblox on that to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. If you've tried all of these steps and are still having trouble, you can reach out to Roblox support for further assistance. Link to en.help.roblox.com, link to en.help.roblox.com. Remember, the specific steps that work for you will depend on the underlying cause of the problem. Try the simplest solutions first and work your way up to more advanced troubleshooting if necessary. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.